So who thinks I can make it to Target on this thing? Let's find out. Might get pulled over. Might go to prison. But I'll take my chances. Off we go! Oh, I have to take sidewalks. 2 stoplights. The local cops already know me, so if anybody sees me, I'm going down. Look at those people, they're walking. Oh, they're using their feet. Who does that? Oh boy, a lot of cars. There it is. Never made it. Should have parked somewhere in the back, but no. Bam, in the front. People give me looks, I don't know why. I already see a problem. I don't have any storage. Should have grabbed the backpack or something. There it is. The best looking vehicle in the lot. It does look good, you gotta admit. Look at that. Streetcar. Let's go home. Not the most comfortable. I'm kind of losing stuff as we go. Not even taking the sidewalk. Straight up down the road. Look at this. That's it. Waiting. Hope there's no cars. So far so good. People are really loving it. It brings smiles to people. Look at this go. And just like that, we're home. 0 issues. My new grocery getter.